witness on an aggravated battery.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, right out front here of the Wicked Warnings shop for a couple of reasons. One, it's the first nice day we've had in forever, so we wanted to pull this out. Two, this is a truck and trailer combo, so I wanted to show you the whole extent of this job. This particular client does a lot of traffic barricading work for marathons and things like that. So he has a specialized trailer that we fabbed up racking to hold all of the road barricades, and he wanted some extra lighting on the back of the trailer as well as the truck. So what we've done with this truck is got our LED HAW Duo in a high dome version in the front headlights, alternating. You can see here where we mounted it from the bottom up. The high dome lens is enough to go through both layers and give you an adequate corner flash on this particular application. Does a decent job of filling up the front corner with white light. Around the back you can see right where we put our LED HAW Duo, another HD version as well in the rear. Fills up that reverse very nicely. Here you can see where we've added a 2-pole weather pack connector to the trailer harness, and that allows the strobe light switch to also power the lighting on the trailer. The reason we elected to use a 2-pole add-on harness like this is because we also have made a battery and a jumper that we can mount on the tongue of the trailer, so when the truck needs to park this trailer and go run an errand, you can plug this 2-pole connector right here, unplug it from the truck, plug it into the trailer battery, and then the trailer lights will continue to work while the trailer is sitting idle. So you can use your trailer to block off an intersection or to create warning and move the truck and not lose your lights. Back on the trailer, we're using our Thin X TIR series in amber. We elected to alternate triple flash all four just to give as much movement as possible. And as you can see, we are in a very bright direct sunlight. Right over here you can tell. Here's a little better shot of how we mounted those lights. There's going to be a couple of trailers in this series of fleet, so we're going to do them all the same. We just mounted them up on the angle as far outward and upward as we could on this landscaping trailer. As you can see, we've got some custom racks designed in there to hold their signage and their barricades, so there really wasn't a whole lot of area to mount anything. Check the description of the video for links to purchase all of these lights and a kit if you wish to set up your truck exactly as this. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe light safety and equipment. Remember to be seen and be safe with Wicked Warnings.